Yeah, so if you really want to push on with this plan, so this is the GoWork Wireless 2nd Gen from JLab, and I'm already loving the presentation out of the box. Wireless na siya, so you don't have to worry sa wire clutter, and as well as they're using really soft pads for both the ear and headbands ng work headphones na to. Pag susutin nyo na yung headphones na to, ganito ang magiging itsura niya sa head nyo. Also, it has an easy mute button para mabilis ka nang makapag-mute and then mute during your calls. And ito pa lang siguro yung work headphones na nasubukan ko na may app configuration na and as well as adjustable ENC para mas malinaw ang boses mo habang nasa call ka. This headphone also features multi-point, so pwede mo siyang i-connect sa PC mo and your phone as well. As for the microphone quality, ganito ang audio na lalabas sa kanya. This is with the low ENC setting. If I switch to medium background, ganito ang level ng noise reduction na nakukuha natin sa kanya. And setting it to the loudest background option, ganito naman kalakas ang noise reduction na makukuha nyo sa microphone neto. So kung naghahanap ka ng work headphones na pwede mo gamitin for your meetings na less hassle na sa wires and as well as reliable and matagal ang baterya, this one from JLab is an option you should consider.